Hey guys, here is a little demo, a little behind the scenes of the game I'm working on. So this game right now is called Guitar, which is just keyboard and guitar mixed together. It's highly subject to change because like, come on. But basically it's a rhythm game where you hold your keyboard like a guitar or ukulele or whatever has four rows that it uses, so mainly ukulele. This game is recommended for smaller size keyboards because it's hard to like wrap your hand around like a thick, long keyboard. I don't really have a keyboard recommended for this game, but it's what I'm going to be using. And there are two types of notes you'll see. One's a pluck note where you hold. Oh shit! I accidentally started Sailor Song. Where you hold the note and then perpendicular at the end, which is going to be backspace, backslash, enter, or shift. You press that, and that's a pluck note. And then there's strum notes where you hold all the notes that you need to do. You press down, or technically this is up arrow, but you're holding for down strum, and then the other arrow for an up strum. So I have this very short map. This is a backseat recreation from Boy with You made by like S3RO or something, but basically it works like, oh shit, I missed. Yeah, but I'm bad at my own game, so take this with a grain of salt. I'm bad on this keyboard, alright? Yeah. It's, if you play ukulele or guitar, you'll get it. But if you don't, it's going to be a little bit confusing of the concept. Yeah, I'm used to playing on either laptop keyboard or someone else's. But yeah, that's a little preview. I do want to make custom maps available, and the way I did it is kind of cursed. You do a PNG file, and there's this little code. All this is public on my GitHub, by the way, too. This is going to be an open source project. I'm going to try to keep it low on the piracy, but I'll do that. And how you're going to make one, I don't, if this game gets big, then I'm sure someone will make a tool for this. But right now, this is all I have. You open the PNG file, and each note corresponds to a hue. If you make it fully like opaque, then it's gonna be pluck. If you make it semi opaque, it's gonna be downstrum. Then another semi opaque is an upstrum. And what that looks like in GIMP is this. So you know how it goes on these two, one with downstrums, goes like that, and then the pluck notes, and yeah. So that's my game so far. It's took a while, but hopefully I'll finish it.